Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create an easy shockwave effect in After Effects with no plugins. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First create a new composition. Name it Shockwave to keep everything organized, and set the composition size to 1080 by 1080 to create a square composition. Inside the new composition, create a new solid layer. I will name it Shockwave, and make sure the size of the solid matches the composition size. If it doesn't, click Make Comp Size, and After Effects will automatically match it for you. Now select the ellipse tool and double-click it to create a circular mask. Next open the mask settings. Click the mask expansion stopwatch icon to add a keyframe at the beginning of the layer, then decrease the mask expansion value until the mask is no longer visible. Now move 50 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing page down 5 times. Then right-click mask expansion and select Reset to restore the original value. Next select both keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease. Finally, increase the mask feather to around 60 or 70 to soften the edges. If you preview it now, you should see the mask animation. Next duplicate the mask. Open the Mask 2 settings and change its mode to Subtract. Move forward to a point close to the end, similar to what you see in the video, and start decreasing the mask expansion value to make the shockwave ring thicker. Then press T on your keyboard to reveal the opacity property and click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe at that exact point. Next press U to reveal all created keyframes again, move to the last mask expansion keyframe, and set the opacity to 0%. If you preview the animation again, the circle should now smoothly fade out at the end. Now duplicate the shockwave layer and move the duplicate a few frames forward like this. It already looks better. If you want multiple shockwave waves, simply duplicate the shockwave layer as many times as needed. Once you are happy with the shockwave setup, go back to your main composition. From the project panel, drag and drop the shockwave composition onto the timeline. Next create a new adjustment layer. Apply the displacement map effect to the adjustment layer. Now set the displacement map layer to the shockwave composition. Then set both max horizontal displacement and max vertical displacement to 35. After that, turn off the visibility of the shockwave layer and preview the video. And here we go, the easy shockwave effect is ready.